Hello everyone. Today, I just bought a brand new pair of Boult Y1 earbuds. However, when I tried pairing them via Bluetooth, I encountered some connection issues. It shows connecting, but nothing works. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to solve this problem. Let's get started. First of all, we need to reboot our mobile phone to see if that resolves the issue. So, let's restart the phone. Now, go to Bluetooth settings and try to connect your earbuds again. If it works, great. If not, let's move on to the next step. If rebooting didn't work, we need to reset the earbuds. Check the manual for instructions. Here, I'm showing you the manual on video. To reset the earbuds, put them in the charging case, then take them out to inner pairing mode. Tap the left and right earbuds 5 times simultaneously until you hear a voice prompt. Let's try that. Tap both earbuds 5 times. Now, see if they connect. If this works for you, fantastic. If not, we have one more solution. The last option, which worked for me, is to charge the earbuds for a short while. Plug the charging cable into the earbuds case. I'm using a power bank, but you can use a mobile adapter too. Charge the earbuds for 1 minute. While charging, you should see a green blinking light indicating they're charging. After 1 minute, unplug the charger and take out the earbuds. Now, turn on Bluetooth on your phone. You should see Boult Audio Base in the available devices. Tap on it, and a pair button will pop up. Click on that to pair. And that's it. We have successfully connected our Boult Y1 earbuds. Now we can enjoy listening to music without any issues. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.